Hey guys, what's up? I am David, virtual partner of Shreyansh Tech. Today, I am going to show our next Python project. It is really awesome. I am going to DM in Instagram using Python. So, are you guys ready? We will run our Python project. It will start a Chrome browser controlled by our Python code. That is, it is an automated controlled Chrome. You can check on the upper side on browser. Python will automatically send username and password of our official coding page of Instagram. In fact, all the buttons will be automatically clicked by Python. User has nothing to type or click in the browser. Okay, now it asks, what we want to do? We want to message. So, we will write message. Next it asks whom to message. We want to message to our sir, Shreyansh Pandey. So we will write sir. Now it asks what we want to message. We will write our message here. Let me inform sir about the new video uploaded. I hope he must like my work. It will send our message to the Instagram Messenger. And then our message will be sent. Isn't it amazing? We will rerun our program and now this time we will send message to our followers one by one. We will write all followers. So our first follower is Abhishek sir. I must thank him, as he was our first follower. Thank you, sir. Our next follower is Shivam sir. He is really amazing and I like his photography very much. Our next follower is Satyam sir. He has always been my mentor. I will write thank you him. Through this video, I would like to thanks all our followers and subscribers. I have sent some or other message to other followers as well. Sorry, if someone is left. Please like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Also do follow our Instagram page, Shreyansh Tech. Till then, see you next time.